This is PrintHub, and today we're printing Santa. Kinda. As usual, we start by removing all the supports from the model. This model was printed as one piece, so I didn't need to assemble anything. It was printed in regular PLA, so removing supports wasn't an issue. After cleaning the model a little bit, I went to my DIY box to apply primer. As usual, I used black from Vallejo. After that, I applied white base from the top at about 45 degrees. When I finished that part, it was time to start painting. His hat is red, so I used flat red from Vallejo. I also used the same flat red on all the parts of his costume. Next color is white, and I used it on all the stripes that his costume has. On his beard, I used the same white. For his axe, I decided to go with the silver on the metal itself. For the handle, I decided to use the same flat red as before. Now for his skin tone, it's a pretty simple model, so I just decided to use one layer and I went with elf skin tone. His belt I painted with tan from Game Color. The buckle, I used gold. For his shoes, I went with a regular black. And finally, for the base, I used earth. Now in the future, I'm pretty sure I will add some snow to the base, but for now, it's gonna have to do. In the end, I applied matte varnish to finish the model. And at that point, I called this model done. I really hope you enjoyed the process. If you did, please consider giving a thumbs up. And if you have something to say, maybe about the process, or an idea for the future project, please comment down below. It will give me a huge boost in motivation. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.
Plastic dreams in my hands, sculpture gods at my command. Layer by layer, building life. Smooth the edges, sharpen the knife. Clean